Thinking of renovating to sell your home? Be careful. Some upgrades might cost you more than you'll ever get back. Today, we're going to break down the top 5 renovation mistakes that a lot of sellers make. You won't if you watch this video. Before we get going, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button so that you'll get notified when we put out new content. Thanks a lot, and let's get going. The first one is over-customized kitchen remodel. The biggest mistake people make is they do their kitchen, they do it with their ideas, they do it with odd colors and big splashes, and they spend a lot of extra money. You'll never get your money back on that. A high-end kitchen can cost you up to $130,000, and the typical return is about $60,000 or 50%, maybe a little more. So stick to stainless steel appliances, simple cabinets, classic finishes that are going to appeal to the wide range of people. Number 2, luxury bathroom upgrades. A luxury bathroom can cost anywhere from $75,000 and up, and they'll only return about 50%. And if you do again with these high-end fixtures, things like spas, jacuzzi tubs, steam showers, you might not even get that return. You also have to worry about the value of your home when you're doing these major upgrades. If your home's at a specific value, let's just say $500,000, and you put in $200,000 in upgrades, your home is still only going to be worth $500,000. So remember that. What to do instead in the bathroom is focus on a clean, modern upgrade, neutral paint, update the tiles. You can do new fixtures and things that aren't going to cost you a lot of money, but you're going to get a lot of bang out of it. What do you think is a great upgrade that you're going to get a good return on? Leave a comment below. We appreciate it. Number 3, converting a bedroom into a home office. I have a client that bought a house, beautiful, converted a bedroom into a master bedroom closet. And guess what happened? The house just became worth $150,000 less than she paid for it, because when you take a bedroom away, that's how appraisers value the home. Never convert a bedroom into something other than a bedroom. What you can do is you can set your space up, your bedroom, as an extra space for an office, but don't take away the door, don't take away the closet space itself in that bedroom. Let's look at the outside now. Swimming pool installation. People love to have a swimming pool. If you're in an area where everybody has a swimming pool, this may not apply to you. But for the most of us, while pools seem like they're a beautiful luxury to have, the kids love the pools, they're a lot of maintenance, they're hard to insure, and they just don't appeal to all buyers. So you're going to spend $50,000, $100,000 on a pool, and guess what? The home value doesn't even go up. There's less than a 10% return on a pool. Something to do instead, what we did when our kids were growing up, we joined the lake club a few miles away, and the kids enjoyed it, made a lot of friends, and that's just an alternative to putting a pool in your backyard just for that. And of course, it's a great idea, but you have to realize that the value just isn't there. Let me ask you, would you pay extra for a home with a pool, or does it feel like more trouble than it's worth? Leave a comment. I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. 5th thing, on the outside, landscaping and gardens. One big mistake people make is they do an exotic landscaping job. Very expensive plants, intricate gardens, water features. All these different things cost a lot of money to upkeep, and they certainly cost a lot of money to put in. So if you spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on your landscaping, you're almost going to get none of it back. It just doesn't work. The better thing to do is to have a clean yard with simple landscaping, natural, indigenous plants that are local. People just like a clean look. Here's a bonus tip going back onto the inside of the house. And this is from experience. We have a client that was purchasing a home. The basement level was finished with an extra bedroom, a full shower, bath, the whole 9 yards, a living room, a fireplace. And when the appraiser from the bank came out, they counted nothing in that lower level. It's below grade. The appraisal network, our national appraiser standards, do not qualify any area below grade as living space. Now, the flip side to that is a lot of people like a home with an in-law setup. So if you have a walkout basement, that means a level door walking outside. Even if it's only one part of the basement is ground level, you still may not get extra value on an appraisal. They're very appealing, and people are willing to pay for them. If you're going to finish the basement, you want to make sure that it's dry, it's insulated, and it's well lit. So that's a very important thing for the basements. Renovations are tricky, but now you know what to avoid, how to save time, money, and regret most of all. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tips to sell smarter. Appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing you again.